Hello everyone, I'm Andivita and I would like to present about culture dimension of Brazil by Hofstede website. Firstly, we could see the diagram in Hofstede website and we shall discuss. The first, power distance. This dimension deal with the fact that all individuals in societies are not equal. It expresses the attitude of the culture toward these inequalities among us. Power distance is defined the extent to which the less powerful member of institution and organization within a country expect and accept that power distribute unequally. With score of 69, Brazil reflect a society that believes hierarchy should be respected and equalities amongst people are acceptable. The different distribution of power justifies the fact the power holder have more benefit than less powerful in society. In Brazil, it is important to show respect and elderly and like children take care their elderly parent. In companies, there is one boss who take complete responsibility. Status symbol of power are very important in order to indicate social position and communicate the respect that could be shown. The next we got individualism. The fundamental issue addressed by this dimension is the degree of interdependence a society maintain among its members. It has to do with the wherever people self-image is defined in terms of I or we. In individualism society, people are supposed to look after themselves and their direct family only. In collectivist society, people belong to in group that take care of them in exchange for loyalty. Brazil has score of 38, which means that in the in this country, people from birth onward are integrated into strong, cohesive group, especially represented by extended family, including uncle, aunt, grandparent, and cousin, which continue protecting its member in exchange for loyalty. This is an important aspect the working environment too, where for instance an older and powerful member of family is expected to help a younger nephew to be hired for a job and his own company. In business, it is important to build up trustworthy and long-lasting relationship. A meeting usually start with general conversation in order to get know each other before doing business. The, the preferred communication style is context rich, so people will often speak previously and write in an elaborate fashion. The next we got masculinity. A high score masculine on this dimension indicate that society will be driven by competition, achievement, and success, with the success being defined by the winner, best field, value system that start in school and continued throughout organizational life. Brazil scores 49, a very intermediate score on this dimension. A low score or feminine on this dimension means that the dominant value in society are caring for others and equality of life. A feminine a society is one where quality of life is seen the sign of success and standing out from the crowd is not admirable. The fundamental issue here is what the motivate people wanting to be the best or masculine or liking what do you do or feminine. Uncertainty avoidance, the extent to which the member of a culture feel threatened by ambiguous or unknown situation and have created belief and institutions that try to avoid this reflected in the score on uncertainty avoidance. At 79, Brazil score high on UAI and so do majority of Latin American countries. The society show a strong need for rules and elaborate legal system in order to structure life. The individual need obey these laws, however, is weak. If rules, however, cannot be kept, additional rules are dedicated in Brazil, as in all high uncertainty avoidance society. Bureaucracy, laws, and rules are very important to make the world safer place to live in. Brazilians need to have good and relaxing moments in their everyday life, chatting with colleagues, enjoying a long meal, or dancing with guests and friends. Due to their high score in this dimension, Brazilians are very passionate and democratic people. Emotional are easily shown in their body language. The next we get long-term orientation. This dimension describe how every society has to maintain some link with its own past while dealing with the challenge of the present and future. And society priorities these two existential goals differently. At 44, Brazil scores as intermediate in this dimension. Normative societies which score low on this dimension, for example, prefer to maintain time-honored tradition and norm while viewing societal change with suspicion. Those with a culture which score high on the other hand take a more pragmatic approach. They encourage thrift and effort in modern education as a way to prepare the future. And the last we got indulgence. This dimension is defined the extent to which people try to control their desire and impulse based on the way they were raised. One challenge that confronts humanity now and in the past is the degree to which small children are socialized. Without socialization, we do not become human. Relatively, we control is called indulgence, and relatively strong control is called resistance. Culture can therefore be described as indulgence or resistance. Brazil high score of 59 marked it as an indulgent society. People in society classified by high score in indulgence generally exhibit a willingness to realize their impulses and desire with regard to enjoying life and having fun. They possess a positive attitude and have a tendency toward optimism. In addition, they place a higher degree of importance on leisure time, act as they please, and spend money as they wish. This is all for me about present about culture dimension of Brazil by hosted website and thank you.